First place goes to Devin Rogers with a 1965 Mustang. Devin.
There we go.
All right, our next category is category N, Chrysler Mopar, 1960s. Second place goes to Mike Friedenberger with a 1969 Dodge Corvette Super Bee. I would say Mike here because he's got a bunch of fans here.
One woman, thank you.
And our first place goes to Roy Schneider with a 1968 Roadrunner. I know you're out here, James. Not me, you.
I'm in this picture too.
Yeah.
I am.
There you go. Congratulations.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Enjoy. Thanks for coming. All right, our next category is category P, Ford cars. 1970s. Second place goes to Lee Timmer for the 1970 Ford Fairlane. Lee Timmer for the 1970 Ford Fairlane. We have 60, 70 people that are waiting for you to get up here. Like it's not hot out today, that's for sure. All right, we're going to go to category Q, which is Chrysler Mopar 1970 cars. Second place goes to Pete Dorr. Pete, where are you? I know you're out there. 72 Roadrunner GTX, beautiful car. All right, our first place goes to Jeff Scott with a 1972 Custer 340. Me and I were in competition for long hair a couple years ago.
Much appreciated. Can I give you this? Absolutely.
Thanks for coming, Dave.
Thank you.
All right, the next category goes to category R, which is AMC, and all other domestics, 1950, 1960, 1970, except GM Ford Chrysler. The second place goes to Matt Timmer, the 1962 Peterbilt.
Maybe next year. Congratulations.
One brother's got long hair, one brother's got short hair. One brother. All right, next category goes to category S, which is domestic cars 1980 to 1990s. Second place goes to Charles. Charles Lodgeman. Not too sure if that's true about him. Lodgeman, the 1985 Cutlass Supreme. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. CMIOVATEOS for the 1983 Riviera convertible. Jack with a 1983 Riviera convertible, are you out there?
You don't look like sick. See what you want to get into picture? Second, you can take a second. Yeah, I know. Then he said kind of. Last name. Said like 2 face.
All right, our next category is category U, which is truck, van, and panel, 1959 and under. Second place goes to Tom Weber with a 1950 Chevrolet 3100.